Hi everybody, it's Kevin again. We have our first exam coming up next week, so I just want to go over a few things. The exam will be open on Sunday, the 24th at 12:30 in the morning. So that's actually Monday, but it will kick in at 12:30 in the morning for those of you who like to stay up late. I want to show you. So we go into our blue menu over here on the left. Again, if this screen is too small, click on the words YouTube down in the lower right side. Okay, get to our exams. We click on our exams icon right here. You won't see this until the exam actually turns on, which will be early Monday morning at 12:30 or late Sunday night. Simply click on exam 1 and we are into the exam. Remember to read these directions thoroughly, okay? Before you take the exam, I do want you to be aware that you should be familiar with the readings. Don't try to take the exam and think that you'll have the book open, so this will be a piece of cake, and you'll be able to locate all the correct responses. There'll just be too much time between 3 chapters trying to look for the correct responses when you only have 90 minutes. So do be familiar with the material before you attempt the exam, okay? It's only a one-time shot at this exam. When you click begin down here, I don't think you can see it. I think my face here is covering it up, but there is begin down here in the lower right corner. Just simply click on that. That's when your exam will open. It should open in a new window. You'll be presented one question at a time. This is a one-sitting exam, meaning do not stop, okay? The clock continues. Do not stop it, X out of it, go back into it later. You'll lose the exam. It's a one-time shot, okay? So be prepared to sit down and complete this exam in its entirety. Again, you'll have 90 minutes. If you time out, if you reach the 90 minutes and you're not done, the exam will automatically submit what you've completed and will automatically save everything, okay? But when you are done with your exam, and I've had students take this exam and they're done in 15 minutes in class. When you are done with the exam, however, it will not save and submit automatically for you if you're done prior to the 90 minutes. You must make sure you go down to those buttons that say save and submit, okay, before you exit the exam prior to the 90 minutes. And that's about it. I know it's the first exam. Don't get overwhelmed about it. I do not do anything tricky. I'm not here to trick you. I don't put in crazy questions. Again, it's all multiple choice, true or false. If you're familiar with the reading, this should be a breeze for you, okay? Sometimes you'll actually see a hint to the correct answer within the question, so don't go fast. Read the questions thoroughly. If you're unsure, go back to the question, read the question again. And again, 2 answers, more or less most of the time, you can eliminate right off the bat, and you round it down to 2. And always select the best 2. But again, sometimes there's hints in the question that will lead you to the correct answer, okay? Any questions about the exam, please feel free to email me anytime or post it in our general discussion board area within our classroom. Again, the exam, you'll have all week for this exam. The exam will close at midnight on Sunday, the 30th, I believe that is, the 30th. Yes, it says it right here, June 30th. So you have the whole week to do it, okay? Don't wait until 10 o'clock on Sunday night. Too much pressure on yourself, okay? Read over the material, give yourself a good hour and a half prepared for this exam. If you read the material, there's no way it should take you an hour and a half, okay? All right, good luck, everybody.